Hello everyone! Are you looking for a fantastic way to keep your beloved dog safe and secure within your yard without the need for traditional fencing? A PetSafe wireless fence can be a wonderful solution, and today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to train your dog to use it effectively, making the process simple and stress-free for both of you. It's truly easier than you might think, so let's get started right away with the key steps for successful training. First, your initial setup is crucial. Ensure your PetSafe wireless fence system is installed and working perfectly, then identify the exact boundary of your safe zone and place the included training flags along this perimeter, as these visual cues are incredibly important for your dog's understanding. Next, properly adjust your dog's receiver collar so it's snug but comfortable, allowing you to fit 2 fingers underneath it, and always test the collar's correction level, starting with the lowest setting and only increasing it if your dog doesn't respond, remembering the goal is to get their attention, not to cause pain. Now, we move into the actual training, beginning with Phase 1, Introduction to the Boundary, which should last for 1 to 2 days. During this phase, keep your dog on a leash and walk them towards the flags while staying inside the boundary, and the moment your dog approaches the flags, they will hear a warning tone, at which point you must immediately pull your dog back into the safe zone, firmly saying no, or back. Then praise them enthusiastically and give them a treat once they are safely inside the boundary again. Repeat these short, frequent sessions often, always keeping it positive and never allowing your dog to cross the flags, instead guiding them back every time. After a couple of days, you can progress to Phase 2, Distraction Training, which also lasts 1 to 2 days. Here, you'll introduce mild distractions, perhaps having a family member stand just outside the boundary and gently call your dog's name while you walk your dog on the leash near the boundary. If your dog tries to cross and receives the tone and correction, immediately pull them back, praise, and reward them, as the key is for them to associate the tone and correction with the flags and the act of crossing the invisible line, teaching them to stay within their safe area. Once your dog clearly understands the boundary while on a leash, it's time for Phase 3, Off-Leash Supervision, a phase that might take 2 to 3 days or even longer, depending on your dog's learning pace. Remove the leash but supervise your dog very closely, staying in the yard with them. If they approach the flags, they should ideally stop on their own, but if they do cross and receive a correction, calmly go to them and gently lead them back into the safe zone without scolding, simply reinforcing the boundary and continuing to praise and reward their good behavior. Finally, in Phase 4, Gradual Freedom, you can slowly begin to give your dog more independence, starting by leaving them alone for very short periods and gradually increasing the unsupervised time, always checking on them frequently. After about 2 weeks of consistent training, your dog should fully understand the invisible boundary, and you can then remove the training flags. Remember to always keep the receiver collar on your dog whenever they are outside, ensure the battery is charged, and regularly check the collar's fit. Training requires patience and consistency, as every dog learns at their own pace, so always be positive and encouraging throughout the entire process. And there you have it. Training your dog with a PetSafe wireless fence is a rewarding experience that ultimately brings peace of mind, knowing your furry friend is safe, happy, and contained. Thank you so much for watching this comprehensive guide. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up, and consider supporting our channel by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future pet care tips and training advice. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you next time.